Hello everyone, for the installation of Procash NDC, first you will have to mount your latest media bundle. For that, just right click and click on mount. After that, go to Procash NDC, run autorun.bat. After that, click on Procash NDC and click on setup. Now the installation will start. You can see setup file is running. If NCF is present, click on custom NCF reader, and if it is normal machine, then you can click on custom and click on OK. Click on communication and next. Click on TCP IP. Click on next. Skip first step. After that, put your switch IP according to your bank. Click on next and put here the port number, and again click on next. Skip remaining part as default. Click on printers and next. Go to journal printer. If journal printer is not present, go to electronic journal, and if it is present, click on both and next. Keep default and go to electronic journal. Next, put here 365, then next, again 365 and next. After this, go to receipt printer, type 15, next. After this, type 8 and next. That go to back to main menu. That click on cash dispenser, number of logical cassette, put 4, currencies, next, NPR. You have to put NPR in all denomination and click on next. Go to values and click on next. This part is very sensitive, so you must confirm to keep this value from your senior staffs or bank. Click on miscellaneous setting and next. For NIMB bank, it should be retract should be 0, and for remaining all banks 2. Then cassette logon should be 1. After that, go to back to main menu. Go to encryption security. Type 10 and next. All setting done. Next. Now go to raise key. Click on raise key and OK. After this, click on no. Now click on OK. Now installation will be started. All update return code should be 0. Click on OK. Click on no. Click on OK. Now close this. After this, again go to your media bundle. Go to utilities, ATM installation, registry. Go in folder according to your ATM machine. Now if journal is present, click on NDC with journal printer. If not present, click on normal NDC registry and run that registry. Now keep in mind, for NEP switch you'll have to run the WinCode protocol, and for all switches you'll have to run NCR protocol. In my case, I am going to run WinCode protocol. Just double click on that and click on yes. If you have clicked wrong registry, you can run the right registry again. If bank is using the iClient, you can hit the registry inside this progress only. Now restart the system. After restart, the ATM must come out of service in green screen. That means it is in normal. You can check my next video for path call and compass installation. Thank you.